this fantastic Friday the 12th. I know you guys are glad it's a Friday, as I am too. And I hope that you enjoy your 3-day weekend coming up. As always, we have plenty to do today, so let's get started right away. Please listen to these announcements, okay? You're responsible for what I say. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you yesterday, just notes. Incompletes for track 1. Let's see what we have here real quick. Let's see, test corrections. By today, Autumn and Ian. I've got to have those by today. Mid-chapter review, Tyler, by today. So all of these become permanent zeros. Like, I'm going to delete them. They become permanent zeros if they're not turned in by today. If I've made a mistake on any of those, please contact me and let me know, okay? Alright, moving on. Today we're going to take a quiz that we're going to work on homework. The homework assignment that is due Tuesday because there is no school on Monday is page 457, those numbers right there. The help video is called Geometry Track 1, Lesson 9.5 homework. It is about 55 minutes long, so you're probably going to have about 20 or 30 minutes of homework over the weekend to work on, okay? Please make sure you come into class Tuesday with your homework done. Now, I do apologize, by the way, guys. I want to mention this to you. I gave you homework on Wednesday, which is against the school rules, and I forgot to tell you when I did that you did not have to finish it, okay? And I apologize for that. Listen, if that ever happens again, you do not have to finish Wednesday night homework, okay? You work hard, diligently in class, and then if you don't finish it, you don't have to. Now, there was a test that was retaken. That student knows who they were. That test is graded, and you did make as high as you could possibly make on a retake, okay? So, just so you know. Okay, at this time, we're going to take a look at your quiz. Now, remember, if you're in the classroom, you're taking the quiz. So, anytime you're absent, don't forget to always study, or always stay on top of your videos, okay? So, if you're in the classroom, no one emailed me. Look, if you ever feel like that's unfair and you're behind because you're absent, all that you have to do is email me before the quiz, before the day of the quiz, okay? Or test. It's not that difficult, okay? Alright, so here we go. At this time, please pause the video. Miss Carol, pass out the quizzes. And once everyone has a quiz on their desk, then go ahead and restart the video. Okay, the quiz is very simple. Please listen carefully. Numbers 1 through 4. You're solving for x and y in each problem. You may write your answers with radicals, or as decimals, or as whole numbers. I don't care. That is up to you, okay? Some of your answers will be whole numbers. Some of your answers will be like the square root of 7 or something. So you could write the square root of 7, or you could type that in your calculator and write the decimal form. That's up to you, okay? Notice on number 3, there are 2 congruent angles there. I put red marks on those also. Notice at number 6, there are 2 congruent angles, so I put some marks there for that also, okay? Alright, let's see what else we have here. That's it for your quiz, and so, that's all for today. Please get started on your quiz and your homework. Miss Carol, let me say this. I know that you're playing the homework video during class, which is fine. In fact, I want you to do that, but you're going to have to estimate a good solid amount of time that the student should have for the quiz. Maybe 10, 15 minutes, whatever you think. And then, if anybody is still taking the quiz at the end of that time, they can turn their desks around, or if you're in the chemistry room, they can kind of turn sideways or whatever, and you can go ahead and start the homework out video for those who are finished with their quizzes, okay? But that's how you handle. That's up to you, alright? Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.